Hi everybody, great morning, and right now I'll be unboxing parcels and I received from Mary Kay. So these are the items I processed for my clients, and also the tools I'll be using for skincare session. And yeah, thank you obviously for delivering this parcel, and also this one from K&K for delivering this one. If I'm not mistaken, this is a gift I received from our unit director. Yeah, during the activity we had in our unit meeting. Thank you also for her assistant, who is a beauty consultant as well. She processed this parcel to deliver here. And so let's do the unboxing with this. Okay. So let's open this box now. And the inflatable thing. Here we have the clear proof charcoal mask. This is perfect for those who are having an oily or combination type of skin and have whiteheads and blackheads and pimple problems. This one would really help you. This is a non-peel off mask. You only need to do is wash it off with warm water. And next is the oil-free eye makeup remover, a gentle makeup remover, special to the eye area and waterproof. Cosmetic waterproof. Waterproof products or waterproof cosmetic products. This one. And a waterproof lip liner. And then the mirror, new look of Mary Kay mirror. And this you have here Mary Kay, and this one is the disposable facial cloth that I can use for skincare demos and session with my client. Okay, let's open the other one. Another bubble wrap, and I'm gonna cut it. So cute. What is this? But I think I'm going to continue this on part 2. It's only a few minutes before the video ends, so stay tuned for the part 2.